sweet friends. I'm Mary from marysnest.com, where I share traditional recipes for making nutrient-dense foods using simple ingredients. And today, I'm participating in Lisa Sutton's Project Pantry August Challenge. For the first week of the challenge, we have to inventory everything that's in our freezer. And if you'd like to participate in this challenge as well, be sure to go over to Lisa Sutton's YouTube channel. It's called Sutton's Daze, and I'll link to it below. Alrighty, well, let's look at this black hole of my freezer. Alrighty, well, I have one of these bottom freezers and things can really get lost in here. So let's pull this out. It's so heavy. I've just got a mishmash of things. Yes, peas were on sale at my local grocery store. I've got ice back there. I've got different lard and beef tallow, some frozen veggies, marrow bones. Oh my gosh. Down here, I don't even know what's on the bottom, so it's a really good thing that I'm doing an inventory. But on top, I've just got some chicken breasts, some bananas that I was going to make a banana bread with. I don't know when I put those in. I think there's some frozen vegetables. I got a little salmon, some shrimp. I think this is from last Christmas, goat cheese with cranberry. Oh my gosh, and bottled lots of different oils that I put in the freezer, and so it's mishmash and it's not organized. So what I'm gonna do is take everything out, do my inventory, and when I'm all done and have it in nice and neat and organized in my inventory list, I'll bring you back. Well, I'm all done with my inventory, and I'm going to show you how it looks now. I think it's a little better organized. I've got all my vegetables together up here. I've got all my fats here, my bacon, my lard, my tallow, my butter, of course, and frozen fruit down there, and my nuts and seeds down there. And what I did discover was when I took everything out, I have a couple of bags of ginger, which was a pleasant surprise. It looks pretty good, but I'm going to hold on to that for now. I did decide to discard the bananas. I don't know when I put those in. I couldn't even remember. And then I've got all my shrimp and fish and chicken over here. I counted up 16 packages of seaweed. I'm not quite sure why I have it, but I feel like I should save it, so I still have that right there. Then I've got all of my oils, and that's it. I'm all set. Now I also have a freezer in the back, and I did add that to my inventory. It's just tight space back there, so I didn't film it to share, but I did put it on my list. Well, that's it for my freezer inventory challenge. But if you'd like to join in the Project Pantry Challenge, be sure to visit Lisa Sutton's channel, which I'll link to below. Well, that's all for today. See you later. Love and God bless.